So welcome to the channel guys. Today we are going to discuss this GFG problem of the day. So we had opened the problem and the problem is we have to merge two binary max heap. Okay. So we are given two binary max heap as arrays and we have to merge the given heap to form a new max heap. Okay. This A and this B vector are given as our map two heap, sorry, two max heap. This n sorry, it happens sometime. This int n is the size of the vector A and this int m is the size of the vector B. So for what we did, like here, this is our vector A, this is our vector B, size is n is equal to 4, m is equal to 3, n is equal to 4 is the size of A, m is equal to 3 is the size of our B, and our the merge max heap is this. And basically the definition of a max heap is that the root node, I'm explaining here, the root node of a max heap is always greater than its both of its child. Like here 10 is greater than 5 and 6, 5 greater than 2. Similarly here 12 is greater than 7 and 9. And we when we merge it, then what we are seeing, this 12 is greater than 10 and 9, 10 greater than 2 and 5, 9 greater than 7 and 6. There can be other possible max heap also, like here 12, here 9, here 10. Okay, or here 12, yes, here 12, 9 and 10, and here under 9, 2 and 5, under 10, 7 or 6, or like 2 or 6 here, or 7 or 5 here. So this will be this should be a max heap. What is the configuration does not matter here. Like if it is this child is 5 or this child is 5, it doesn't matter, but the finally it should follow up the property of a max heap, that the root node is always greater than the value of its child. So now focus on the problem, focus on the answer. Like what we did here, we take a priority queue in, and in priority queue the value are sorted in decreasing order, order always. uh, so what we did, for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, simply what we are doing, we push all the value of ai in it. We uh, we push all the value of vector b in this by this, and then we take a vector int because we have to return a vector int. Then what we did, we run a loop till the size m plus n, that is the size of priority queue. Also we just push back the pq dot top element is always the greatest element in our uh, left priority queue. So and pq dot pop, we remove that element after adding it in our vector, and then we just return vector v. I am showing you the code. It's 1 1. I am submitting it now. You can see every case will pass out. 10,037 cases, so much cases. You can see all cases are fine. Okay, I have submitted this already. That's why my marks is not increased. And what you can do here, you just push back vector a. You just take a vector v and push back the value of vector a and b in this vector, and you call a heapify function. This will also be a good approach, but I just use here priority queue because it's simple to use and it's a easy problem. That's why I don't make to use heapify function here. I just use priority queue. So thank you for watching this guys. Thank you.